Hello everyone. So this is our point of sale system, and this is the main billing page where we're gonna place our orders. So in this page we can clearly see our categories and the products under the particular categories. So we can easily add the products to the cart by just clicking on the product. So it will be added to the cart, and we can easily find the products by using the categories menu and particularly navigating to them, or we can also use this search bar to find the particular product. If suppose I want to search particularly for biryani, I can just click this biryani and add to the cart. uh, and we also have the favorites list over here, which can be set by the user uh, for frequently selling products for the easy accessibility. So the things will be added to the cart, and the user can proceed with the order by just clicking the pay now button. Here the user can fill out the customer details if the customer is giving the details, or if the user is taking the details, and we can just add the user things. Yeah, you can directly add the number, or if you can also search it by name or by number. Suppose if I'm searching for 9791, it's already, this number is already registered, so I can just click on it and see the thing. It's an India number, so I can just continue with the payment, and I can select which type of payment method the customer is gonna continue with. Is it the cash, is it the card, or is it the UPI? So if the customer is going with the cash, I can just confirm it, and the order will be placed. Boom. Yes, done. So this order will be placed. So this is how the main billing page works. And I think another thing I missed out is the add instruction method. So the user can also uh, add instructions to the particular product, or just give a general instruction over a particular order. By clicking on this add instruction, the cashier or the user can enter the instruction given by the customer, uh, so it will be sent to the kitchen server. So the user can add any instruction over here, and as well as for the particular product as well, and just save the instruction, so it will be saved to the particular order and sent to the chef. So this is how the main billing page works, and let me explain about the other pages as well. So if we go to the today's sales will be shown here. Today 4 orders have been done, and total revenue is 80.552 pounds, and all the things will be shown here, including the customer details and at which time the order is being placed, and also the bill number, and with the items sold out. Yes. So, and when we go to the tab 3, which is our reports, and reports, we can see the uh, maps and analytics of all the orders that has been happened today, this week, and this month as well. So as we saw in the today sales, 4 orders have been placed today, and $80.52 total revenue. And this all the data and statistics that an owner or the manager wants for a store. So peak business hours also will be shown here, and top selling items of the day, and top category performance, like the pizza has been sold more, and like that it will be showing as a much depth analytics. This week the app will be showing the data and analytics of this week, and totally 56 orders has been taken, and total revenue is 934.04 pounds, and peak business hours will be shown here, and top selling items and the categories, and the daily revenue each and every day will be shown here. So each detailed data and analytics will be shown in this report, that's reports and analytics tab 3. And this month data also will be showing accordingly as shown this week and on today. So this is all about the main billing page and the today sale and the reports. So let me show how the other things gonna work. So this is the inventory management place where we will be managing our inventory by adding new materials, new raw materials, or managing the existing raw materials or updating the stock and all other actions. So when we go to the product management page, we go here and we see the products that or that are listed on the main billing page. You can also add the product by just clicking on the add product button and just add the product. You can choose the category like the food and the subcategory, the pizza, burger, under which subcategory it's gonna be stored under. So for the easy accessibility one day. And you can just fill this form to create the product. And here is the favorites management section where we can manage the favorites that is showed in the main billing page. Suppose if I want to show this biryani deal as a favorite in the main billing page because the biryani deal is selling more at my store, means I can just remove this Coke can or the one which you want to remove and just add this biryani deal over there, and it will be added here and it will be reflected over there in the main billing page as well. See, the biryani deal is added here. That's it. So you can easily click this and add to the cart. So the next page is the category management page. This is one of the main page where we'll be managing the categories. Here the food is the primary category under which this subcategories will be coming. These subcategories are the categories that are shown in the main billing page over the left hand side, where the under these categories the products will be listed over there in the main billing page. So the user can add the subcategories and categories over here and they can manage it. And suppose if the user wants to add up furthermore by adding a specific subcategory, they can add it by adding the level 3 categories. So this is the category management page where they can manage the categories and other stuff. And next page is the extended reports where the user can see the extended reports over here. So this is the almost same as the reports page, but the thing is we have export feature here, which is the CSV export. So the user can uh, select the particular orders they want and can export it as a CSV file, or if they can also select all the orders, so they can select all the orders and click the CSV export CSV button, means it will be exported as a CSV file where we can easily analyze the data over here in the Excel sheet along with the order ID, receipt number and date and time, table service or the uh, table service, customer information and all other stuff will be stored in the Excel sheet. And so this is the extended reports all about. So next thing is the order mode that I want to show it. So next thing is the settings. Settings as the you can store the store name over here, where in this case the store name is Leela's, and currency settings. The user can also change the currencies if they want. Like now it has two currencies are there, which is Indian rupees and as well as the British pound. Uh, so order management. So order management can be done in two modes. One is the instant payment mode and another one is the table service mode. So when I click the table service mode, I can see the tables that are listed over in this which are the tables that are available in a particular store. Suppose if there are totally 10 tables over in the store, the user can be like adding 10 tables here. Suppose if there are 11 tables, just you can add another table over here, or the only 10 tables means we can adjust it over here. So this is the table service mode where the order will be created and the payment will be done only after the customer is about to leave the store. So so this table service mode is used to create an order and get a payment only at the end of the order completion. And yeah, so I will show you the difference between the instant payment mode and the order service mode. I mean table service mode. So now it is in the table service mode. We can clearly see that 0 tables is occupied. So I can select the table number, and if the table number is not selected, it will be considering it as a takeaway order. Suppose I am selecting it as table 7. The customer is occupying in table 7 and ordering an pizza. So I add a pizza over here. I can just create an order, and suppose if the customer is not willing to give the customer details, then I can just skip it and just store it as an walk-in customer. So the order is created, and we can see that orders in the active orders page. In this, the order is created, and we can clearly see the order. So we can see this order for the reference, and as well as suppose if the user is about to like complete the order by paying the amount, we can just pay it here by choosing the payment method. Suppose if he is willing to pay it by card, we can just confirm. So the order is completed, and it will be reflected in the today's sales reports and everywhere. And also uh, there's another feature, like suppose if let it be in this case, let it be it as an takeaway order. I'm just creating an order, and you can also just use the quick checkout button to skip those input fields, and the order is created now. We can check the active order page. uh, we can add the customer details here as well. Suppose if we missed out there, so we missed out there, so we can just add the customer details here. If not, we can also add another thing, which is the items. Here the customer has ordered the biryani deal one quantity for this order, but the customer, after creating the order, if the customer wants to add another item to the order, he can just click the add item button and click the respective product that he wants. Suppose if he wants the meat feast pizza, he can add it to the cart and just add the item to the order. So it will be reflected here. So he can pay it anytime you want. Anytime you want it. So you can pay it after the com so you can pay it at the completion of the order. So it is not mandatory to go to the settings to change the order creation mode every time. You can just click this toggle button by to change the order creation mode. Suppose for in this case now it is in the table service mode. If I want to change it to the instant payment mode, I can just click this to change it to the instant payment mode. Now it is in the instant payment mode, where we can just like that create the without creating the order, we can just like that go for the payment method and complete the order in this page itself. There is no need of going to this active order page. Here the active order page won't be visible because now it is in the uh, instant payment mode. And in this table service mode, active orders will be coming back, where we will be creating the order and we will be making the payment only in this active orders page. Now there is no active orders in this page. So this is all about our point of sale system. Thank you.